How cool is this? These are golf cart magnetic fans. Now, Mint House have sent me these two to review, so thank you to them. They've sent me a couple of things which are really cool products. Check out my other videos. But these are really cool, and you know, they're not just limited to golf carts. They are obviously marketed as golf cart fans. So on a hot day and you do play golf, you can take these and they will clip on with these really strong magnets underneath here, and they'll clip onto the metal parts of the golf cart, and then you can maneuver them. As you can see, they can move all the way around like so you can maneuver them like that, and they rotate here as well. So whether the fan is in front of you or above you or whatever, you can get the air flowing right on top of you, which is really nice. And they're actually quite powerful, which I'll show you now. So what do they come with? So it comes with two USB chargers from USB A to USB C. So that's really cool. So that they give you those, and they give you two Velcro straps as well, which are elastic, so they can stretch a little bit, and it's also for extra support when putting these onto whatever you want to attach them to. So as you can see over here, you can pass it through the bottom here, and then you obviously feed through that piece there, and then it would stick to the Velcro, and then you can hold that as well as the magnets. So that's really cool. And like I said, it's not just limited to golf carts. I don't own a golf cart, so I can't show you what it would look like. But even if you're in a workshop or something and it's really hot, you can mount these on something metal. If you don't have any desk space, they can also stand on their own, and aim them wherever you want. They're really cool. So we'll have a look at them. You can see over here there's a little lock sign on the top for the front grille, so that can come off if you want to clean the fan or anything. So that can come, so that's there for safety. And there's the fan, and you'll see there's small little blocks underneath here which are actually LEDs. So those are lights, which I'll show you now. So that's also really cool. So it can actually light up the surface that you're working on or whatever you're doing or looking at. Now there's this control panel on the back. At the top we've got the fan button on the far left. In the middle you've got your light, and then you've also got a timer, which is really nice. Now this also acts as a battery bank. These are 12,000 milliamp batteries that are in here, so it's got quite a lot of storage for the fan, and if you need some extra power for your phone or whatever you want to charge, you can do that. Now this button, when you press it once, it will go on to speed 1, then you press it again, it goes to speed 2, and you press it again, it will go to speed 3. That's for the fan. And then for the light, if you press that, it's 30 times brightness, 30% brightness, 60% brightness, and then 100% brightness. So that's the light. And then you've got your timer, which is 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours, and then it will switch off after those times. You've got your USB A over here, which is your output. So that would be your battery bank, whatever you want to charge. And if you want to charge these fans, you would use the USB C and the cable they've given you. So that's there. So what we'll do, I actually want to show you how strong this magnet is. Now I've got this knife over here that I use to open up packages, and you'll see how strong this is. If I go near it, it actually pulls it really hard, and you can see if I do that, I can lift the fan up off the desk just with that. It's really strong, and if I do both, it's really difficult to get this off. So it's a very strong magnet, and I'll show you if I can go close to this item here. You can see how it pulls it towards it. Now both are on, and it's really tough to get it off. So it's easier to slide it off the edge of something with the magnet if you do use it. So just remember, these magnets are very, very strong. So let's switch this on and see what it does. So we've got your first one. You see the light comes on. It's got a nice cool breeze coming across there. So that's nice. And then we press the next one, so that gets a bit more stronger, which is actually quite strong. I'll try to throw it onto the microphone. You can hear the fan blowing. Now that's quite strong. That I can feel in my face, moving it around. And again, you know, you can maneuver this and position it where you want, and it's really cool. And then we'll go to the fastest one. Now that's very strong, and I can hear the wind in my ears. It's sort of like if you stick your head outside a car driving, but not obviously too fast. But that's a nice amount of air if you're really hot and you need to cool down. So that's there. Then we've got the light. So we press that once, and you can see that's 30% brightness with the LEDs. And we'll press it again. that's 60%, and another one that's 100%, and you can also switch on the fan so you can have the light and the cooling at the same time. So very cool. And then you've got your timer, so obviously if you cycle through those, there's your 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and then you can switch it off again by pressing and going through that cycle. So that's them there. And also they give you 2 really cool carry bags. So that's what they are. They're like a nice thin fabric which can dry easily if they do get wet, and the fan fits in quite nicely, as you can see. So that's there. It's got a little pull cord on the top so you can close it. The fan fits in. You'll be able to fit in your cable, you'll be able to fit in your strap, and that all goes in there just fine. So that fits nicely, it works well. And over here you can see I'm charging this one. It's got little rubber pads on, so like I say, you can mount it on a table if you want. But very, very cool. They're very light, they're not heavy at all. They're around 17 centimeters tall, 17 centimeters across to the edge of this bracket on each side, and then it's about 7 centimeters in depth. And I'll put those up on screen as well in inches so you can see that. But overall they are really good, and I really like them. So what I'll do is I will move this one out the way. I will then place this one on the side over here, and then we will put the fan on. I'll aim it down a bit so it will hit the surface here. I'll move these bags. I'll put this plastic bag here so you can see the strength of the fan, and we'll see how it performs. So we can put the light on so we can see where the plastic bag is. That's quite cool. So let's switch on the first button and see how strong the fan is. So there we go, we can see that's pushing the plastic bag away. If I put my hand in the way, it blocks the wind, and there we go, and we'll see it can blow up the bag as well. So that's the first setting. Then I'll hold it down, put on the second one. Now that's much stronger, so if I let go you'll see how much quicker this blows it away. Oh. There you go. So it's much stronger. So that's the second one, and now we'll do the fastest one. Trying to hold it down. Okay, now that's the fastest one. Now that, you can see it's blowing it off the screen. It's actually really strong. It just holds it on my hand. So very, very strong, as you can see. So that works really well. Very, very good. Wow. Nice bright light. You can switch that off. And yeah, that's really good. I really like this. Definitely going to be using these in summer, especially in here, because my room gets quite warm. And yeah, the magnetic part is really good, so that gives you a bit of versatility of where you can put it and stuff. So I just want to say thanks to Mint House again for sending me this. So these come with runtime of 7 hours to 30 hours, so that depends on if you're using the light and also how fast you are going here with the speeds. It's a 12,000 milliamp battery. The timers are 2, 4 and 6 hours. Level 1 will give you 30 hours of battery time. That's in their test that they do. Obviously that can vary with environments and that. 12 hours on level 2, and then you're looking at around 7 hours on level 3. And there's 2 magnets on each one, and yeah, the oscillating, you've got 360 degrees, so you can maneuver it anywhere you want. There's no cables or anything in the way, so you can face it anywhere, so above you, next to you, in front, behind, whatever. And it's got all that maneuverability, so it's very, very versatile. So that's really cool. And then yeah, the 2 bags which come with it, the 2 cables and the 2 straps. Very, very cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next review. Cheers.